people, I am Shruti. If this is the first video you're watching, welcome. I go by the name Boss Lady Shruti, and today I'm going to show you all the things that I recently shot. Yes, it's an addiction, I accept it, but I'm not ready to change it because #life. So now that that's established, let's get on with the show, shall we? So the first things that I have are so I'm first going to show you the makeup and then the clothes. I recently went to Beautiful. Beautiful is this store which is in Andheri West, which is like the mecca of all things beauty, in my opinion. So whenever I go there, I'm honestly like a kid in a candy store. But yeah. Anyways, so when I go there, I have to buy stuff. And recently I've been on this hunt to find the best brow products. So I've been completely, into brow powders, brow, gels, and I'm trying out a lot of things to just figure out what is the best eyebrow product that's there out there. Because now with a lot of other brands coming in, I'm very happy that brands are making more brow products, because I don't think they ever had any brow products like a while back. So anyways, these two are from Sivana Colors. I'll go one by one. This is the 3D Sivana Colors Brows Secret. It looks something like this. This is the pencil side, and as you can see, it's written pencil here. This is the powder, so you open it out. Okay, you open it out like this, and this is where the powder is, and this is the eyebrow mascara. So you open it out like this and use it. I have used it a couple of times. I don't know, it is just the product that I got, or if this is the way everything is, but I just feel a lot of product comes in this mascara. So, and that's like, if you apply it as is on your eyebrows, it can get a little too much, so you have to kind of like wipe off the excess and then use the brow mascara. But other than that, I think this is a pretty cool 3-in-1 kind of a deal, so yay. This is also a Sivana Colors product. This is the Charmful Eyebrow. This has this eyebrow ES005 and a brush. So it's I think very inspired by the Anastasia Browist kind of a thing. You have the cool thing about this is that there is this slant here on the tip, so you can kind of get a nice shape of your eyebrow when you're doing it with this. Also, the consistency of the product itself is not too pigmented, so for eyebrows you don't want something which is like right there brown or black, so that's nice. And this brush comes very much in handy. I think both these brow products are pretty good, but I will do my favorite brow products or something like that soon, so you'll see exactly what I feel about each one of them. The next thing that I got is this Provoke Semi-Permanent Gel Lip Liner. It is waterproof. It's in number 33. This is what it looks like. It's just a very nudish brown pinky color. I don't know how else to explain it, but yeah, it's a very basic one. I haven't used this before, so I can't tell you how it exactly looks like on my lips, but it's very creamy to apply on the hand, and that's the reason why I got this. The next three products are yeah, I think everything is Sivana Colors, but anyways. The next products are these eyeshadow palettes by Sivana Colors. These are the two that I picked up. This first one is, I think they have numbers on this. This is 03 and this is 04. I have used both these palettes. These are the colors. I thought that these colors would be very spring and summer appropriate, especially like this color right here. Oh my god, I love using it. And I love putting these as transition colors. I have used this pink also, and it's not as shocking as it seems here on the pan. And this blue I think would be nice if you want to smoke out a nice even daytime smoky look, I think. And yeah, all the colors are very spring and summer appropriate, so that's the reason why I got this one. Then I have this Savannah Colors eye palette, which is in 04. So I got it a while back, and these I think colors are more like fall appropriate because they're very rich burgundy tones, especially this one right here, and this green and this grey black. All of these remind me of fall. So the only colors I think I'll be using in the summer are these ones right here, like the lower section, and maybe this color. This color is a beautiful like inner corner highlight or even something like that because it's pretty bam. And they're I think, I'm not sure exactly the amount of you know, color pigment you get in each block, but it seems like quite a lot. So this is definitely also going to last you a very long time. Then, oh my god, when I saw this at the counter, I was just like, ah! I was drawn to it like Magneto. So yeah, this is the Savannah Colors Bronzed Professional. Okay, take a second. Dun, 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 dun. This has this beautiful bronzy glowy colors. It doesn't smell like anything. I love using this to contour, and usually what I would do is I would mix, I like a little more bronzy glow on my face, so I would use this to contour, and then I will mix these two to kind of bronze up my face and use this as a highlighter. I'm telling you, this is so bomb. You don't need anything else, especially while traveling. If you have this, I think you're pretty much good to go because you have like 3 things in one. And you don't even have to take that many products. And I think I'm going to get a lot of use of this, especially in the spring and summer, because who doesn't like that glow? So yeah, that's not a lot of makeup products, but I still wanted to share it with you guys because you're my boo. And now this is all the makeup that I got. Let's go on to the clothes. So I went to Forever 21. Honestly, actually this might not be very exciting because the only things that I picked up were basics. I love the basics at Forever 21. I think they're the most comfortable, and they just fit really well, and they last me a very long time. I wear them even when I go to the gym, and yeah, it's just really easy and breezy, and I'm a complete basics girl. I love living in my you know, leggings and my camisoles. I just love it. And I think summer I don't even feel like wearing pants because it's so sticky and so hot. But anyways, the first thing is this pair of shorts. This is most of this I think I would wear it either to the gym or like under something that I want to wear. So this is just a pair of shorts. I haven't tried this on, but it's basic. I needed it. No brainer. Then I got these plain white leggings. I've been wanting to get really nice plain white leggings for such a long time. These are just regular. And I really like the fit of these because the Forever 21 leggings are the only leggings that I get because I have very wide hips and they fit my hips very well. So that's why I got a white one, because I've been wanting a white one like forever. This is okay, this is a normal basic spaghetti top. If you want to know the prices, this was for $329. The white legging was for $369 and this is for $179. I mean, come on, it's pretty cheap. And yeah, this is just a basic grey spaghetti top. Basics, love it, and I live in these. So the next thing is also a legging. It's how much is it for? Yeah, this is about $369. I think all the leggings are for that much. This is your you know, brownish green, I don't know, yeah, brownish green kind of leggings. These are not full length, these are ankle length, so I'm happy to try them out. And like I said, these fit so well, so beautifully. Then is another legging. Okay, this is a legging haul, definitely. This is also for $369. This is brown, almost nude color legging. This is also ankle length. This is not full length, so I got 2 ankle lengths to try out how they will actually be. Because I'm like freakishly tall, and usually even the normal leggings that they say are full length come ankle length for me, and Forever 21 is the only one that I get leggings which actually are full length for me. So I'm hoping this ankle length also stays ankle length for me and doesn't become a creepy. So we'll see. And yes, I saw this and I've been meaning to get one of these for a very long time. So it's like a cami dress. It's just grey and it's long. So this is going to like cover you up at least a little above your knee. I haven't tried this on, but I am very excited because if this fits me the way I think it will fit me, it is going to be pretty versatile. Woohoo! Then, okay, I really needed socks because apparently all my socks only have ones. Like their pairs have disappeared somewhere. So, you know, they have always these things at the checkout counter and you're like, ooh, nice. Nice, and just get sucked in and you end up paying 1,000 rupees more than what you actually came in your cart with. But anyways, I needed socks. These are 5 pairs of ankle socks. I need these because I hate doing laundry and I don't want to have my feet stink when I go to the gym. So yeah, this is for $2.99, so I thought it was decent, and they are white and they will hold me good when I'm going to the gym. So yes, that's about it. That's all that I bought. I know it's not a very exciting haul, but I still wanted to share it with you guys because I just wanted to share my style and the kind of clothes that I would like to wear during the summer. Like I told you, I am a very basics kind of a person. I always love staying in my shorts and camis and leggings. I love wearing that. It's so comfortable. I don't have to think of anything. Just wear it and go. So yes, that's it that I have for now. That's all the shopping madness that happened. Let me know in the comments down below what you think was your favorite, and you know, if any other suggestions you have for me for my videos. And please share this video with all your friends because sharing is caring and I always welcome love. Subscribe to my channel because I make new videos on beauty, fashion and travel. And yes, until next time, keep it bossy. Hey guys, so these are just 5 looks that take me through the summer and make me feel really cool and comfortable. So I hope you enjoy this lookbook.